What the dog doing?
So I am just decided the so bad wire. So, have you ever seen this bag? Because I definitely have, and I've seen it, I think, like over a million times, if not more. And it's literally everywhere, like Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, it's just everywhere. So, I thought before even getting the bag, why not make the keychain? Since I think that's what makes this bag so special. This intro is already so long, so let's just get to work and make all of our keychains. So the first keychain we're gonna make is this one, and it's like a beaded pearl bow shaped keychain, and it is so cute and adorable, and I think it's actually so easy to make. So let's start. Also, when I went to the store to buy pearls, since I didn't have any more, I couldn't find them, so I just got these pearl headbands that I cut and took the pearls out. So I put 14 little pearls on this side, and then I'm just using this big one as the middle part of the bow, and I'm just repeating everything and doing this other half of the bow. To secure the bow, I'm gonna twist. So now I'm gonna make a bow with some ribbon, and I'm gonna put it behind. And I'm also gonna put this little charm. Yeah, something like this. I have this little wire that I put through the pearl in the middle, and now I'm just gonna create something like a hoop, something like this, and I'm gonna put this charm through. So the next keychain we're gonna make is this one, and I found a lot of inspiration on Pinterest, but the only problem is that I don't have a lot of cute beads. Like, I keep seeing these heart-shaped beads, bow-shaped beads, and a lot of different charms, but like I literally don't have any, so we're gonna solve this problem right now. So as you can see, there are a few different kinds of beads, and I just don't have this variety. So I'm gonna try and make them out of clay, and I'm also going to make a few charms like this one. This is how they turned out. Then we have a bow, and they all have like a hole so that you can just make a keychain out of it, of course. And I have a few hearts as well. So to make the beads, I used an air dry clay. I used this one. So now that I made all of my charms and beads, I'm gonna paint them with gel nail polish so that the finish is gonna be glossy and it's just gonna look more professional to me. to the other beads. It looks so ugly. What? No! Wait, I'm also going to attach this little bow on here, but like, I first need to redo her face because it really... So on here I have all of the material that I need for the keychain, and I am so happy and proud of how these came out. Like, this is so cute. I am just so excited for the keychains, and let's get to work. So I decided the composition of my first keychain, but I only have these chunky like pliers. It's gonna be a bit tough, but we're gonna make it. So it took me like so much time, like so many hours, because I didn't have the right pliers. But guys, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. It's like my dream keychain. Like, it is so perfect. I love it so much, but I feel like something is missing, so I thought of just tying a bow here, and I got this little thin ribbon. This is actually a strap from a piece of clothing. You know when you buy like new clothes and they have this annoying strap to hang the clothes on the hanger? So I'm just gonna tie it right here. So it's the next day since I couldn't finish the two keychains yesterday, and I'm gonna assemble the Miffy keychain. So yeah, let's just get over with it. So for this next keychain, we're gonna use either a pom-pom that we already have. Like, I have this from, I think, elementary school, so I'm gonna use this. But you can also like make one yourself with some wool. And yeah, first I'm just gonna change these metal things since it's a bit rusty, as you can see. Yeah, let's go to my DIY desk. Also, let's just appreciate this outfit. It is so cute. I'm gonna use this lace right here. I would have preferred a like thinner one, but I only had this thick one, but it's fine. And then I'm gonna put a rose here in the middle. Wait, this rose in the middle, and I'm just gonna glue everything to the pom-pom with some hot glue, so yeah. So this is the fourth and last keychain we're gonna make. This is the yarn that I have. This is the string. It is pretty long. It's like, I counted 60 when I was crocheting.